Hey guys, today we're here going to show you how to install your LED lights inside of the TV XC. So this is what it's going to look like when you're setting up, when you're using your constant lights. You're going to have two constant lights on each side. You can go with one, that's up to you what you guys want to do, but it's built for two. So we're going to install those there. And as you can see, I also have a speed flash, the little Canon. There's going to be a link at the bottom so that way you guys can buy that one. And also there'll also be a link for these. So we're gonna install these, and when you guys get them, you guys are gonna get this guy, you're gonna get this, and then this is the best part. It's USB powered, so we could just connect this to our USB hub. So see at the bottom it has like a little screw. We're just gonna screw that in there when we get inside the booth. So this is what we're gonna do. Put this aside for now. All right, so I'm just gonna put that right over here. And I'm gonna twist it. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm gonna just twist that on there. And these little things, I'll just use that to mount it. And then we'll get this little USB. Stick that in the USB hub. There's actually two extra ones, so it works out. And then this guy just goes into there. And then this little wheel is how you're going to turn it on, and you can intensify it by just twisting that little knob. So you'll have constant power going to your lights, so you don't have to worry about turning it off or changing batteries on those. Okay, so that's the installation on that. I'm going to do the other one just so you guys can see. We'll take this out. We got our cable. So take this over here. And then we'll remove this guy. And then we'll push that over here. And same thing, just twist it in and lock it into place. And then we are going to connect these to our last USB hub. Oops, wrong way. So this is the first time that we're actually using this right now. So let's see what the pictures look like. I'm gonna turn this around. All right, so I'm gonna unlock this. I'm gonna run darkroom. I'm gonna reset my camera really quick. So it looks pretty good. The light's pretty. Let me turn off the light. See if it's enough light. Oh, careful. Okay, and here we go. Let's see if it's enough light. Actually, I didn't even check the camera settings on this, so, but I mean, it looks pretty good, even if I were to stand close or further back. Ooh. So it's a little bright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cancel that, and you can see, I don't know if you guys saw, but on your photo, let me click on this. On this photo, you could see the little orbs. That means that there's too much light. I'm gonna bring the camera forward, so I'll show you what to do. So you're just gonna unscrew this, and the camera can now actually slide a little forward. So I'm just gonna push it forward so that way we don't get that glare. We're gonna turn it around, and we'll test it out again. Let's try this one more time. 3, 2, 1, here we go. I'm standing about maybe like 4 feet away, and the quality is still pretty rich. So I'm gonna take another step back. I'm probably about 6 feet away. Oh, that one didn't flash. Maybe my flash died. Could have been that. Yeah, my flash died. But so that's, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this, but I'm gonna take off my flash to show you. This is the little speed light that I'm using. It's the 270X EX2, It's super small, so you can it'll easily fit. But as you can see on the first picture over here, I was standing about 5 feet, and there's no background, so it's still like pretty good quality running off of this. The only downside is you are running off of batteries, so if you're going to be running this route, just know that you're going to have extra batteries just in case. But overall, the entire booth looks pretty good. The LED lights are shining pretty bright, and it's enough light for your customers so that they can actually see themselves in case if, you know, all the lights were to turn off. So yeah, thanks guys for watching this. Remember, this is the TVXC, and if you guys want to install your LED lights, this will be the video to watch, and then you also have the links at the bottom. All right guys, we'll talk to you later, and thanks for watching.